Joe, what are you doing?
Oh, Nana, this is OpenClaw. I am giving it tasks to do.
Lobster? Can I eat the lobster?
No, it's like my employee.
Employee? So, are you a big boss?
Well, yes, I am the big boss.
Anyway, is that a snack? Can I eat it?
Don't touch it! It is the guardian of my PC!
What happened? What is going on?
Don't underestimate the green miracle! Even TSMC engineers believe in it!
Joe, be quiet. I am hungry. Let's go and eat.
Taiwan is a very weird place.
Task completed. Upload of Tainan Old Street Plan finished.
Wow, Tainan is so beautiful. Look at the lanterns. Look, a red envelope. It's my lucky day.
Stop! Don't touch it! It's a trap! In Taiwan, this is a ghost bride invitation! If you pick it up, you must marry her!
A ghost bride? Is she pretty? Does she have a TikTok?
Pretty. Maybe that's not bad.
Joe, what are you thinking? That's enough! Don't listen to his nonsense. Also, Joe will pay for dinner.
Oh no. Bad news. It's an earthquake.
Earthquake is coming! So scary!
Good job, Nana. You are very smart. Always hide under the table.
Is it over? Why are you guys so calm? Why are you not scared?
Honey, in Taiwan, if the building doesn't fall, we keep eating.
Earthquake? I'm not scared! But this? Nana! Why are you feeding the ghosts?
Ghost? Uncle Joe, do you mean the ghost bride from the street?
Hello.
Joe, enough drama. My rice is getting cold. Nana, just eat.
Seriously, in Taiwan? Even eating is dangerous. But at least the food is yummy. Wow, I am so full. Taiwan food is the best.
It's getting late. Let's check into the hotel.
Uncle Joe, look. 301, 302, 303, and 305. Where is 304?
Shh. In Taiwan, we don't use the number 4. It sounds like death. Excuse me, I am just a guest. Please let me stay for one night.
Joe, so if I don't knock, will the ghost sleep with me?
It might press you all night. You won't be able to move.
Enough. Everyone, go to sleep. Good night, everyone.
In Taiwan, people are kind, but their rules are crazy. Good night. See you next time.